Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Assist. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add friend on your WhatsApp application. Now make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So first of all, let me remind you that unless and until if you don't add or save that particular person's phone number on your contact list, you will not be able to add them as a friend on your WhatsApp application. First of all, you have to save their phone number on your contact list and only then you'll be able to add them as a friend on WhatsApp. And here, as you can see, the interface looks something like this. So this particular page is known as chat page. So as you can see that I don't have any friends. So in order to add them, now on this particular page, move towards your right hand side corner, and right in the corner there you can see a circle icon. Just tap on the circle green icon. And as soon as you tap on the circle green icon, there you can see select contact on the other page. So from here you have to select the contact to whom you want to send message or whom you want to add as a friend. So for example, I'll go with the first one. Now just tap on the name. Now in order to add them as a friend, first of all you have to message. Now once you're done entering the message, just tap on the arrow icon which is on the corner. And as you can see, this particular person has been added as my friend, and the process goes on. And this is how you can add friend on your WhatsApp application. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.